Thanks, Evan. The Booker T. Washington Center reopens for the holidays and puts a smile back on the faces of many youngsters. Today, the Booker T. Washington Center was open and spirits were high. The children were enjoying being out of school, but also enjoying spending time with each other. From all the fun from the sports to the dancing, it's as though things haven't really changed.
It's kind of like we weren't closed, which which we always said was that this is a very active center. It's an engaged center. A lot of young people here today. We're having camp. We just opened camp yesterday, and we got 106 kids here today. Probably some more kids are coming in for an older kids event that's later on this evening. But we're wide open. We're, like I say, just ecstatic about being back open and making sure that we have an opportunity for the kids. And so that's what the center is about, being able to be here, do some of the things that they want to do as young people, and we provide that service.
I love it here. I love coming here. Can't wait to get here. In the morning, we play activities. We do name games to get to know everybody. Then we go outside and play activities out there.
Today's big event, rapper T.I. visiting the center. He will be putting on a show and talking to the kids about keeping their lives on the right track.